Hey everyone, how we doing? My name is Tim Pongres and this is Focus on Detailing. Today's video is all about a pretty special car. See, here we might not get to work on many supercars, none to be exact, but we make up for it with the unique ones we get in. And this one is no exception. I was just going to get some snaps of it, but I just couldn't help myself. I had to get some footage as well. So I'm not going to be drawing it out any longer. What I have in front of me is a 1947 DeSoto in all its glory. Now, you don't really need a keen eye to see that it's not exactly perfect. You've got these chips and divots and thin paint with surface rust and deep gouges and stuff like that. But the thing is, that is exactly how the new owner wants it. He wants it to be restored to the best that it possibly can be with what is left. That way it holds on to all of its history and all of its stories. And this one has quite a lot. And to give you a better idea as to what it looked like, this is how it was like when it first rolled in. I'm just going to take you for a bit more of a walk around this classic. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to follow up with much information as I know very little about it, but hopefully someone in the comment section can inform everyone as to what these things were like. I've just finished a 2-stage correction on it, a very light one. As you can see, the paintwork is very thin and actually missing in places. So we've done the best we can with what is left and ceramic coated it all to lock in all that goodness as to what is left, and it actually came up really well, better than I was expecting, which is fantastic. And what's pretty cool about this as well is this is as close as I'll ever get when I have a car like this in the garage as to what it feels like to be back into the late 40s and early 50s. A pretty unique experience, and getting in there, it has that traditional vintage car smell which adds to the whole atmosphere. But going back, I said that this car is pretty special, and for many reasons, because if you look here, it was last registered in 1989, and it is a one owner, a doctor. Now the new owner also informed me, I'm going to reiterate this the best I can, once we open this door here, it comes with all of this paperwork. And what we have is the service history and all the purchases made within that paperwork. I'm not going to go through it because that's probably a bit private, and that's for the new owner to enjoy and look through. And we discussed that this interior probably has been restored previously because it just looks a bit too good. Very unlikely that it's original, but if it is, that would be pretty cool. I dare say that's original carpet because you can see it all coming up, but the rest, oh well, it looks pretty fantastic anyway. And going towards in the front and the dash, they really don't make them like that anymore. It stands out, it's so cool, and sitting in there, like I said, it really takes you back. While we've got this car here, I think it would be pretty rude if we didn't climb on in the driver's seat. Now, I can tell you straight up, as basic as these seats are, they're actually pretty comfy. I don't think the seats or this car as a whole would be much in the safety department, but once you're in this spot, you soon forget about all that. Now look at all that chrome, all the technology, fluid drive. Back in the day, it would have been pretty impressive. I'd love to take it for a bit of a spin, but you know, it's not mine, so we're not going to. Sitting here like this gives you a more point of view version as to what it's like. Like I said, it's actually pretty comfy and reassuring sitting in this spot. I think it'd be a really nice cruising car. That'll do for this video. I just wanted to share what I have in the garage as it is pretty cool, and I feel really privileged to be given the opportunity to work on it. So if any of you out there have a car similar that you want me to work on it, just let me know, as I'm more than happy to. Thank you all for watching, take care, and I'll catch you all later.